Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dikshit. Uh, today's date is 26 February 2022. Today's Viva topic is the freedom fighters in India. We are see so many freedom fighters in India. In India is the largest democratic nations in the world. Got independence from foreign rule in 1947. It was a momentous year in the history of in India when it gained freedom from the British rule that lasted for about 100 years in 1857. The powers of British East India Company was transferred to the British Crown, but the company which was started as early in 1600 to build colonizations and trade which gradually imposed its rule many parts of country, both economically and politically. Prior to that, many parts of India were under the control of the Portuguese, French, and the Dutch. Then, as the India subcontinent had no political unity or unifying force since ancient times. Many have come and controlled parts of the country. Prominent and long-lasting among then were the Mughals, who ruled most parts of the present country from the 16th century through 18th century. Then freedom of India is a result of long and consistent struggle in many parts of the country in different forms. It was neither easy for the country to fight and expel foreign rules from the country, nor easy to unify different princely states, tribes, peoples of different languages and cultures into the idea of one nation. Then many peoples have played significant roles in a rising the national movement struggles lasted for decades, which finally resulted in independence of the country. Then we will see the role of the freedom fighters. The freedom fighters of India played an extensive role in getting independence for the country. The revolt of 1857 was the first war of independence of India. The revolt started as a mutiny by the spies of the East India Company. The Muslim and Hindu spies together began this revolt. Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Nana Sahib, and Tata Tope were some of the active leaders and freedom fighters who fought in revolt. Then Mangal Pandey is considered as the hero in the modern India because he had played a pivotal role in beginning the revolt against the British. Then Rani Lakshmibai is considered as the symbol of resistance to the British rule, and was one of the leading figure of the rebels in 1857. Then in 1876, another movement started against the British rule. It was the foundation of the India National Congress (INC). That means INC. In that, Surendranath Banerjee lead the foundation of the party. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, then next Dadabhai Nauroji, Chitranjan Das, and then Jawaharlal Nehru were active leaders of the INC. It was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi who gave push to the party and raised the struggle for freedom in a non-violent ways. His non-cooperation movement was the great success and a stepping stone for India freedom struggle. Then it it's then while on one side Gandhi was following the ideologies of non-violence and peace. On the other, there was a group of youth who wanted to attain independence by hook or by crook. Then revolutionaries were quite influential in the nations and aspired many. So it's all of the topic. Thank you so much.